Hi, this is Udaya from JTech Soft. In this video, I will demonstrate how to use YesBook Invoice software for business. Log in by using the username and password. Click on the Customer menu under the Master menu for adding customers' information. Provide necessary information about the customer's code, full name, address, select the emirate. Select the country, contact numbers, and VAT registered number. If the customers have a receivable opening balance, provide the amount in the balance text box. Then click on the Save button to add customers' details. By clicking Add button to add another customer. I added another customer with has an opening balance amount of 8,500 dinars. Then click the Save button. You can view the added customers list by clicking the List All button and by searching the Enter the keyword in the search text box, then clicking Find the button to search specific customer. By clicking the Edit button to edit selected customer in the list, or you can delete by clicking the Delete button. A similar way we can add supplier or vendor information is by clicking the Vendor menu under the Master menu. Clicking the Add button, entering the supplier information about code, company name, addresses, selecting the emirates and country. TRN tax registration number in the UAE. TRN is a unique 15-digit number. Then contact information, the payable balance amount in the balance text box. After all, enter the details by clicking the Save button to add supplier. Add the products list by clicking the Product menu under the Master menu. At the bottom, click the Add button. Entering the product code, barcode, name of the product item. Selects the item category, unit, select VAT rate like 5% or leave it 0%. Tick the checkbox for tax as excluded or untick the checkbox for tax as including with cost and sell price. Enter the cost price and sell price. It will show the profit amount and in percent. An opening stock quantity. Click the Save button to add the product. The similar way I added the two more products. At the top of the To tab. In the Search tab, search the products, alter the product name, category, tax rate, taxes including or excluding with the price, cost, and selling price by clicking the Edit button at the bottom of Search tab. To delete the product by selecting from the list and click the Delete button. We have added some of the customers, suppliers, and products with opening receivable balance, payable balance, and opening stocks respectively, which is shown in the dashboard. You can see the pie chart with the given data. To make a sale invoice, click the Tax Invoice under the Sale menu or press F8 button. Now open the tax invoice form. Select the customer by typing the customer code, then press Enter key or pressing the F1 key to search, then select the customer, then press the Enter key, F2 for open customer form to add customer, F5 to refresh. After selecting the customer, enters into item code column in sales line items. If you know the exact item code or BOR code, type the item code or scan the barcode at the item code column, else just leave the item code column by pressing Enter key, then the item search window will open. Then type the search keyword of the item. Select the item, press the Enter key. Then enter the quantity and chance the sale price if required. If the product is taxable, then type tax rate at VAT % column. If not, just type the 0 at VAT % column. Similarly, after adding all sales lines items rows, select the Pay by options as by cash or credit or by bank. Then click the Save button. After the saved, if you want to print, click the Yes button. Click the Print button to print an invoice or click the View button to view the invoice. At the Print View window, click the Export icon on the top first to export as a PDF document file by providing the file name and file type as PDF. You can select and change the different invoice formats and the paper size to print by selecting the Print Format option. Window, click the Export icon on the top first to export as a PDF document file by providing the file name and file type as PDF. You can select and change